Hey everyone, welcome back to Fiscal Voyage. I'm Felix, and today's video we'll talk about Bitcoin again. So Bitcoin had a rough day today. You can see here on the daily chart, we have a pretty significant drop from a high of 63,137 to the low of $59,018. And you can see here actually went lower than Friday, June 5th low, and lower than February 6th low. So first off, the power law is still intact here. You can see here the low was about 59,926, so it went a little lower than that. Obviously these are ranges, right? It never actually broke it. If we zoom out here, it got pretty close in 2022. Right here you can see here it got really close and then just bounced from there, and close as well as in COVID in March of 2020. And then all the way back here you can see here around the 2015 August time frame of 2015, you can see it got pretty close. They actually probably touched it a little. So we're kind of at the same point, which were basically great buying opportunities, correct? If we bought it near this red line, the support on the power law model here, great buying opportunities. Near it, buy. Near it, buy. Near it, buy. And this is why I'm loading up currently as well, because we're near it as well. We have all the other metrics that I mentioned before. We got the 200 weekly moving average there. We got the 50 monthly moving average here, and we have support from the previous cycle. You can see here, if we draw a nice like a support box, basically all this area is support. This whole area is support. So until we get a solid red bar under this support area, then I'm still bullish, because it's just a support area. We could fundle, mess around here for a while, and then shoot back up, or mess around here for a while and then crash lower, who knows. But my odds are, we mess around here for a few months and then head up higher. A lot of people are saying because of the cycle, the 4-year cycle, that October, third quarter or fourth quarter this year should be the low, and then bring the Bitcoin much higher. And so I want to show you guys some things. This is why chart analysis is pretty cool. If we shorten this to the 50-minute time frame, like the hour time frame, you can see here, if we draw here, you can see we had a bear flag forming. It breaks it, and then it retests the bear flag, and then it just drops it and brings us lower. And then we had, and if you could draw it more, we had bear flags here as well. You can see here, it breaks, it drops here, breaks and drops. So, but we're having a big buyers stepping up at the lows here at 59,000 basically. A lot of buyers stepped up, so we're gonna see what happens with today's bar. Hopefully, we get over this support area that I've drawn here. If we go back here in the day, so this is coming from this wick, or this body candle high. Obviously you could go up to here as well. So this all area, like I said, is support. So what I would like to see is, obviously to get back above it, to reclaim this support area, and then break this resistance zone. And then once we break that, then we should be clear head to at least get to the weekly 21 and 13 moving average here around the $72,000 area. So that's kind of what I'm hoping for, to see what happens. Again, we're still in play with the power law. So with the power law, you see here, even if it just follows the red line, it's just slowly, gradually getting higher and higher. At the end of the year, step back to 70K. The end of next year, back to 96, the 100. The following year, 132. So with this, it just shows, you know, this is a great buying opportunity, even if it just follows this red line the whole way up, right? But that's what I'm going at and what I'm buying more Bitcoin. And so that's what I like right now. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I hope you like the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.